we are making quesadillas. We have all our ingredients. We've made a bunch, so everything's already open. The important things, you need tortillas, cheese, canned chicken. I like to use the little can of chicken. You can use the big can, but it makes a lot of quesadillas, and I don't want that many. I also use taco seasoning. This is hot and spicy. Use whichever kind you like. Last few tacos, I used barely any, so I can smell it. Alright, so first things first. Let's get your can open. This is my favorite can opener. It's no edges. Alright. Nope, not yet. There we go. Alright. Can opener. It's now open. So, I'm just going to use one of the old cans from the other tacos to drain our juice into. You can save your juice, you can use it in something else, you can drink it, use it in a soup. Point being, you do not want to have all of that water when you're mixing in your seasoning. There we go. Okay, now that that's all drained, you can just dump this in the pan. Use the fork to get the rest of it out of here. My pan's already pretty hot. I have some seasoning left from the last few tacos, so I don't need to add a lot. But our camera person says she likes spicy tacos, so we're gonna make them spicy. There we go. Important thing is to get your lumpy bits all out. Turn my fire up. There we go. See how it's got little chunky bits? You want no chunky bits. Fewer chunky bits, better the taco. Now, I keep saying taco and then I say quesadilla and then I say taco because I think it's kind of a hybrid between the two. So, if I switch, that's why. I'm going to keep doing this for a bit, so join me back in a little bit once this is all mushed. Alright, I'm turning that off because now all the colors mixed. I'm going to put this back on my little thing. And we are only going to use half per taco because we have little tortillas. So my pan is nice and hot. You can see the butter bubbling in the middle. Should make a satisfying sound. And we want to let that flatten because it'll get all hot and flat. Yes, bubbly sounds good. Alright, this is where we add the cheese. Now, the way I do this is I always fold them in half. So I'm only going to put all of my ingredients on half of it. I'm just doing this finger serving by finger serving because I'm not trying to get a cup in there. Oh, nice and toasty. And you don't need a ton of cheese because you want it to stick. Now we add the chicken. If you want, you can just, chop it in half that way. Boop. Boop. Now we want to scooch that over to the side. Alright, I feel like adding some more chicken, so we're going to add a little more chicken, because, oh, terrible noise. I want it to be super chickeny. Add some more cheese. I think traditional quesadillas are 2 shells, but I like to do it this way. which is more like a taco. So, this is the hard part. Keep your fork. Smush it. And go like that. And dun 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 dun. Now a little bit of chicken came out, but that's fine. Alright, and then all I need is a plate. Ta-da! And that's for our camera person.